So I am working on packing for a cruise. And if you didn't know it, I am teaching on a cruise. Stitch in Heaven is putting this together. They are the host. They are the host of a lot of quilting cruises. And I really do have, I'm honored to be teaching with Carolina Moore. And we should be packing because we will be on the cruise ship on Sunday. So I thought I would go over and share like what I'm teaching and my mega pile of what I will be hopefully putting into my luggage. Let's take a look. So just so you know, this is the quilt that I am teaching. I'm so excited about this. So this quilt is half the size of the one that the students will be learning. Features a lot of half square triangles and half rectangle pieces. And this is not the fabric. So the cruise is an art gallery cruise and the kits are all art gallery fabrics, which actually they're really pretty. And so I do have some of that and I can share that as well. But this is a look at the quilt. There's 2 blocks and it really just turns out stunning. So I'm just excited about teaching this. So here is my mega pile of everything that I'm hoping to fit into the suitcases. So I still am working on a few things, but I've got this year's block of the month, which I will be taking with me. I am not taking that mega roll of batting, just so you know. I've got quilts for a fun trunk show one evening. A lot of them are smaller ones that are available for members inside the quilt group. Patchworkers Plus, which I have. I am bringing, of course, planners. So anybody in the class can buy planners from me. I'm also bringing the pocket edition. These are small and so handy. Oh my gosh. And I've got a few quilters journal, as well as a few quilters notebooks. And so I've got a little bit of weight here just in my books, planners, and notebooks by themselves. A link, I will drop a link in the description if you are interested in picking those up. If you're not coming on the cruise, you can still pick them up and have them delivered to your door. This is the kit that is going to be supplied to those who purchased it for the quilt that I'm teaching. They have got everything pre-cut and baggied for you and labeled, so which is awesome. I've got lots of prizes here, and so I debated on doing this, but we're going to have some fun. I've got prizes for giveaways. I've got mini kits. I've got little surprise things for everybody. I'm just so excited. And of course, I've got more goodie bags. Underneath all my quilts, I have kits. And these are just bonus kits for those who are sewing this quilt. And it's got things in here that will help the sewing go a little faster. We've got the mark on both sides ruler. We've got the purple thing. We have the tape for setting our spacing or our measurements on our ruler. This comes in really handy when you're squaring things up a lot. Fun stickers, notepad, and of course a project bag. And I am putting together the badge kits as well. So I'm going to be bringing these, and each badge represents your first quilt of the year, your clean machine, organizing your space, first UFO, scrappy projects, I've got another pile upstairs for my personal luggage going, so I'm just trying to start making piles of things, knowing that I really need to make a collection of what I am going to be using and needing. If you have ever been on a quilt cruise or really just a cruise, do you have some tips for me? What did you pack that you loved? Or what did you not pack that you wish you had? So I would love some tips, hints, best tips that you've got for going on a cruise.